This is the story of Chloe. Chloe's a dedicated restaurant owner. She works hard and the food's popular, but she's not earning what she expects. She's disappointed by huge delivery expenses eating into her profits. The problem is, Chloe's restaurant, like many others, is paying high commission fees, often 30% for every delivery. Even if it's a big order, Chloe still loses out on her profit. Chloe wishes she could have a commission-free delivery service. She recently started using an online ordering platform with customizable delivery features, like adjustable minimum order and delivery fees. She can even set up delivery zones based on her restaurant location. However, providing her own delivery is a big expense, because the cost of delivery vehicles and driver wages is just too expensive. Luckily, out.Toasted is here to help. Chloe has discovered the new Request Driver feature on out.Toasted, where she can request delivery drivers at a flat rate. With the Request Driver feature, Chloe can make the customer pay a delivery fee on top of their order, instead of taking a percentage out of her profits. Customers are already paying delivery fees, but now the money comes back to her instead of a third party.